Do you need to pass the TOEFL test for college but are short on time? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Hey there, I'm Shloka Shinoy, and in this video, I will show you how to ace the TOEFL in just 30 days. Buckle up, because this is going to be a challenging yet successful launch. Can you really do it in 30 days? Yes, but it takes hard work. This plan is for people who are serious and ready to put in the effort. Here are our top tips to crush the TOEFL in 30 days. Tip number 1. Become an official TOEFL expert in 10 days. Head to the official TOEFL website, bookmark it because this is your handbook. Learn how the test works, what question it contains and how it's scored. Take practice tests online offered by the ETS. These show you what the real exam is like and help you find your weak spots. We need to know what to focus on. Tip number 2. Build a powerful vocabulary arsenal. Start using new words every day. Use flashcards, apps like Quizlet or Anki or the official TOEFL materials. The more words you know, the easier the test will be. Tip number 3. Become a reading rocket. Read lots of English stuff, news articles from BBC News, the New York Times, magazines like National Geographic, and even websites like TED Talks. Practice understanding what you read and answering questions about it. Tip number 4. Transform into a writing wizard. Write practice essays on different topics. You can find prompts online like those on Magoosh or use past TOEFL questions from resources from the official website. This helps you write clearly and organize your thoughts. Tip number 5. Don't be afraid to speak up and become a star. Find someone to practice English with online using platforms like HelloTalk or Tandem, or record yourself speaking on familiar topics. This helps you speak smoothly and clearly. Tip number 6. Practice makes perfect under pressure. Take full-length practice tests under time conditions just like the real exam. You can find free tests on websites like the TOEFL Magoosh or the ETS test takers. See how you do and fix any last-minute problems. Tip number 7. Find your chill-out zone. Feeling stressed? Take deep breaths, meditate with apps like Headspace or Calm, or do anything else that helps you relax. You need to be calm and focused on the test day. Tip number 8. Test day triumph. You got this. You've trained hard, get a good night's sleep, eat healthy breakfast, and arrive early. Believe in yourself and conquer the TOEFL. Here's a bonus tip. There are free online resources like Khan's Academy TOEFL Prep course, podcasts like English Learning with Jennifer or the TOEFL Guy, and YouTube channels like Ingvid or Neil English Lessons. Don't forget to check it out. Here are some common TOEFL questions that we get quite often. Can I really prepare for the TOEFL in 30 days? It depends on your current English level. If you are already comfortable with English, 30 days of focused study can significantly boost your score. However, if you're a beginner, this time frame might be a little tight. Consider starting earlier, adjusting the pace based on your progress. Is this plan too intense? It's all designed to be challenging but achievable. If you find it overwhelming, don't hesitate to adjust it to your needs. For example, you could spread the practice sessions over a longer period or prioritize the sections you find the most difficult. What if I have more than 30 days? Fantastic! This plan serves as a great foundation. Use the extra time to delve deeper into specific areas, take more practice tests, or explore additional study materials. With hard work and this plan, you can pass the TOEFL. Find more detailed information on the TOEFL and other exams like SAT, IELTS and GMAT. Check out the Amberstudent exam folder right now. If you have any doubts, let us know in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next one. Bye!